Hi guys, today I wanted to share with you a device which will help out during the summer heat. This is the Microhoo USB mini air conditioner. Microhoo is a company born from Xiaomi's Upin crowdfunding platform. I recently purchased this device to keep cool whilst working from home. I really like the stylish white minimalistic design. The air conditioner comes with a 1 litre removable water tank to keep the air cooler for longer. It is powered by a USB-C cable, so you can plug it into a power bank, laptop or USB plug. As you can see by the dimensions, it has a relatively small footprint. To operate the device, the first thing you need to do is fill the tank with cold water. If you want the coolest temperature possible, I would recommend adding ice cubes. The device has two modes. The first is natural air, which is the most powerful. When you first turn on the device, it should be in this mode by default, and if not, you can access by pushing down on the power and the minus buttons together. You can set the airspeed anywhere between 1 and 99. The second mode is sleep air, which can be accessed by pushing down the plus button and the power button together. This is a quieter option to use while sleeping. There is also a timer option. To set, hold down on the power button for 3 seconds. It is important to point out that this device isn't going to cool your entire house. It is effective placed next to your bed or at a desk whilst working, like you would use a small fan, however it's much cooler. The cooler is equipped with a filter made from odorless honeycomb paper, which gives it a longer service life and more effective cooling. The filter needs to be cleaned or replaced every 4 to 6 months. You can carefully clean it with a toothbrush or small cleaning tool, making sure that all dust is removed. I hope you found my review helpful. Please leave your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching.